So kids, we're gonna talk about animal voices.
Okay. Do a dog. Do a dog.
Hey, be quiet. I'm talking.
Do a dog. Ow.
I'm talking.
That hurt. Ow.
We're running 10 animals.
Do a dog.
You can count.
Do a dog. Do a dog. Oh, you can't count.
Yeah.
Count to 10.
1, 10. Done.
Count to 3.
1, 3. Done.
Count to 1.
2. Done.
Count to 4.
1, 4. Done. Okay.
No. Count to 0.
1. Done. Okay. As I was saying, guys.
You didn't count to 0.
0. Done. Okay. As I was saying, guys.
But
10 animals. First one. We're gonna do a person.
Do a dog.
Person does this.
We said something to Martha. Martha is the one
What is that? What is that?
That's a person.
I thought person sound like this. Hi, Carson.
No, person sound like this.
But aren't I a person?
No. You are a cat. And cats talk like this. Hey kids, I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm a kitty cat. And I'm fat like a cat. Because I'm kitty fat cat.
Kitty fat cat.
Okay, and now
Do a dog.
the dogs are like this. And then this is a chicken. Chickens go this.
You're at 4. 4. You're at 4.
Okay, whatever you say. The chickens go like this. Quack, 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 quack.
That's a duck.
Quack. No, because ducks do this.
So
Kind of like the person, but they
Do a
like
rooster.
roosters. That's a chicken, dude.
No, roosters aren't chickens, they're males. Chickens lay eggs. Roosters do the pop, 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 pop. Do a rooster.
No. Okay, now the cow.
Do a rooster.
What's this at? Cow. I'll do the rooster next.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, what's this? Right, cow. Let's see. So we did the person, we did the cat, we did the dog, we did the chicken, we did the duck.
Now we're at the cow.
Which is 5?
No, it's 6. Well, no, it's 7 because I thought the duck was 6. No, it's 7 now.
Oh, sorry, 7. Okay. And then this is a cow. Moo!
That's closer.
Moo!
That's closer than it was.
Oh my god!
That's a cow. And then now a rooster. Rooster goes this. Oink oink. Oink oink.
Do a pig.
Pig. Pig. Pig. Pig. Pig. Pig. And I'm doing a pig.
Do a goat.
A goat?
Yeah.
No, we have to do the wolf.
Oh.
And that will be 2?
Yeah. Sure.
No. Let's see. 1.
It'll be 10. It'll be 10.
Will be 10 after the wolf?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a wolf. No, we should do the donkey.
A donkey? Okay.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a donkey.
A donkey.
A donkey.
Yeah, a donkey.
And this is donkey.
A donkey.
A donkey.
Donkey.
Okay.
Do a donkey. Okay, that's cringy. That's cringy. That's cringy. That is so cringy.
And that's
Like that.
2.
No, it's 4. That's 4.
But I thought that 4 was me.
No.
I thought that was 10.
No, we're at 4.
Wait, that was 10.
No, we're at 4. You gotta do the wolf. Do 4. We're at 4. Do the wolf. I confused him.
Are you sure we're at 4?
Yes, I'm very sure we're at 4.
But you just said that we were going to do 10.
Wait. No, we're at 4.
Counting's very confusing.
Yeah.
I don't want to ever learn how to count.
I don't either, because I don't know how to count, but we're at 4, I'm pretty sure.
Can you please end the video?
No, we're gonna do the wolf, and then I'll end the video.
Okay, you promise?
Yeah.
the